Perfectly okay. So when you say your elder sister is in Canada itself, so she's settled there, I believe, right?
She's not settled. I mean, she's settled, but she's not a. She has not got the PR right now.
Perfectly okay. So Preet, now it was really good to understand about your academics, your family details, your aspirations. प्रीत करना क्या चाहते हैं एग्जैक्टली बताइए. कनाडा सिर्फ पीआर एक ऑप्शन है या कुछ और भी फोकस है?
Ma'am, actually, masters के लिए I was planning to do it from Canada. Uh, Basically because I wanted to shift there. First, this was the second reason that I want to stay there. First reason is कि वहाँ से masters करने के बाद I want to learn about if we talk about future, I want to start my own business. So I was thinking that doing a masters in any business field would be great, so that I can get a job there, and after establishing myself, I can start some business there itself.
Uh, So definitely, Preet, that's going to be a very wise decision because before really landing into business, you need to learn the strategies and you need to experience that.
Yes.
So that is good decision. So Preet, just give me 1 minute. Ayush, would you please confirm me the academics of Preet now because the voice was breaking.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, he has
2015, 12 in 2017, 12th, what was the score?
81% in 2017
And
IEC gold.
subjects.
Subject he has not.
Subjects, ma'am. In 12th, I was pursuing science, PCM with computer science.
PCM with CS, perfectly okay. And your graduation you have done in which program?
BBA general.
BBA General. How is this? After
It
doing
was great, ma'am.
science, huh?
Yeah, that was a switch though, but it was great to learn about business and commerce side, because I was never into accounting and commerce and all that. But it was great. It was an experience, great experience. Learned a lot of things.
That sounds amazing. So I really want, maybe Manchanda ji might be thinking why like when I see a science student going towards BBA, that is something a different program, but
Yeah.
perfectly okay. If you're focused towards your business aspirations, then why not? So in BBA, what were your subjects, Preet? I need to understand.
Basically, it was economics. In the first year, it was focused on mathematics, statistics, economics, and accounting. And
Okay.
in the second year, it was accounting, and the subjects were like CSR, corporate social responsibility, and
Responsibility.
financial management,
Right.
marketing. And in the third year, it was digital marketing, entrepreneurship, international business.
So that's quite
Uh,
interesting, I believe. It's really interesting. So now, Preet, coming to Canada straight, what is important when you're very much focused? I'll be discussing what is best in Canada. Let's talk about University Canada West. Okay.
okay.
Reason, what even Manchandaji was sharing when we say Vancouver, that is third most livable place in the world, right?
Yes.
So the location wise, it's wonderful. You have amazing accommodation options. You have amazing internships options. You have amazing part-time jobs easily available because it is almost in the middle of the city. So what is important now, Preet, when I
Yes.
say University Canada West, that is a private university in British Columbia, Canada, okay?
Yes. Yes.
So your MBA is going to be the duration, if I talk about, it's 2 years, but you can complete it 1.6. Please write down, these are important points.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
MBA, 2 year duration, and you can complete in 1.6 years. And after that, you have 3 years post study work permit. Okay.
Yes.
So now what is important is the language. So have you given IELTS, Preet?
No, ma'am, not yet. I'm planning to give it in next month, I guess.
Okay, perfectly okay. So I'll suggest in case, see, IELTS is important because for visa it is must, I'll
Yeah,
say,
yeah.
and even for your admission process. But when we apply for you, there should be some English proficiency, so even Duolingo is accepted. Okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Duolingo is as easy, you can easily sit at your place and go and give an attempt, right?
Mhm.
So without any movement. So for application process, maybe you can go with this as well. So important is IELTS will be 6.5 overall.
Okay.
Minimum 6, okay, in writing, but overall it should be 6.5.
Okay.
In case your IELTS is, I'll say overall is 6, then also we can apply. But then you need to go for university access program for 3 months. You
Okay.
got the point? UAP
Yeah.
is the program. If your
Yes, ma'am.
score is low, but I'm pretty sure you will be able to get crack good scores.
Mhm. Yeah.
So important is 12th में आपके scores अच्छे हैं तो आप eligibility 55% above है, you definitely meet that.
Mm.
And now coming to your language scores,
Yeah.
IELTS is 6.5 I told, Duolingo will be 110.
Okay.
Okay. Now important is about the placements. You will be having 100% employment support system. Rather, they
Okay.
challenge that every student gets amazing placements. But still, we want to keep that option, because even you have your own choices. So
Yeah.
important is their MBA is having great accreditation, that is with AACSB. This is by one of the USA body established in 1916. So this
Okay.
accreditation is given to only international business schools. I'll say those who are really doing great.
Mm.
So, as far as requirements are concerned, your GMAT is exempted as of now. Your
Okay.
GRE is exempted. Your work experience is exempted. Okay.
Okay.
So, you
Okay.
have that plus point because you are a fresher, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Right.
So, in this regard, what is important? We need to have 60% or above in your graduation. So, what
Okay.
was your score? Ayush Preet का score कितना है graduation में? प्रीत आप ही
Ma'am,
बता दीजिए बेटा.
Ma'am,
7.2.
Uh,
That is
yeah.
good. 7.2 is great, and because that is 60% above is required, so definitely you meet that criteria. So we can directly go for direct MBA program. So no worries.
Okay.
So when you say 7.2 CGPA, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, their requirement is 72%. So ultimately, it's almost one and the same, I'll say.
Yeah.
Now, important is your expenses, Preet. So, Preet,
Yeah.
let me specify one thing. When I say Canada, the first was location, amazing. Second was duration, 2 years, which you can complete in 1.6. Then your 3 years, you have post work permit.
Okay.
Coming to language proficiency, I'm just reconfirming IELTS 6.5, Duolingo
Yeah.
110.
Yeah.
Coming to your placement, internship, extra workers, everything is amazing because of the location. Okay. Now, basic requirements, GMAT, GRE, work experience, all will be exempted once you're going through us because we have, in this lockdown, we have got this confirmation from UCW that it is not possible for students to hold on. So
Yeah.
ultimately, once we are applying, we don't need your GMAT, GRE, or work experience. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now coming to the financials. So when you go for MBA, it is going to cost you something around 35,000 Canadian dollars. So roughly 18 to 19 lakh costing is for 2 years academic program. Okay.
For 2 years.
For 2 years, yes.
Okay. Okay.
And ultimately, see why I'm sharing Preet in detail because many of your friends also they're keen to go, but they are not blessed with great information and they are always in the dicey situation whether I
Yes, ma'am.
can go, whether I can apply or not. I
Yeah.
see so
Right.
many candidates coming for GMAT, ma'am, nahi diya how to go. Language nahi diya how to go. So it takes merely one day to crack your Duolingo and get this course.
Yeah.
So ultimately, what is important by the time visa will be, you're applying for visa. In the meantime, you can go for your IELTS score.
Yeah.
So now, what is important in case, Preet, please write down this point. In case somebody is having less than 72% in BBA, BCom, BA graduation programs,
Yeah.
then they don't get direct MBA. Then what is the route? MBA foundation for 3 months.
Okay.
That is costing 7,000 Canadian dollars.
Okay.
And then they enter into direct MBA program. You got the point.
Yeah, ma'am.
So
Ma'am, what
if you
was the
don't need the
cost of foundation course?
foundation is 7,000 Canadian dollars.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. So
Yes.
in case somebody is not meeting the criteria, this is the way they can easily enter through foundation program for 3 months. And
Okay.
important is Preet. See, in India, we have any academic program for 2 years means 2 years, right?
Mm-hmm.
But in
Yes.
Canada, they have the flexibility. You can complete your program in 1.6 years.
Okay.
So in any case, you save your 6 months.
Mm-hmm. Right.
So what is important now, as far as application is considered, let us say
Yeah.
today is day one, okay?
Yes.
And you give your documents to Ayush, and ultimately we initiate your process for the next intake.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm really sorry to say, Preet, 20th August was last date. I need to check in case even UCW was open for October intake. Okay?
Okay.
So 20th August was last date, but you can still, if you want seriously to pursue for the intake, we can get the permission in case accepted. Otherwise, you can go for Jan intake. Application, the first step is you give your documents to Ayush for document verification. Number one.